Hi everyone, welcome back to Diamond Painters with Mike. I'm super excited for this package. This is 100 Years of Wonder sticker album starter pack. As you know, I have unfortunately mislaid mine and I can't find it anywhere. So I think I've accidentally probably put it in the bin by error. So I've had to put money down the drain and obviously buy it again. But this time it's staying in my files so that I won't lose it. So I'm super excited to see what we've got in here. Whenever you get a package from Craft Buddy, you just feel the quality without even opening it up first. You just know there's going to be quality in this. So inside here we have, oh wow, look at this. Oh yeah, man. Oh, this is super cool. So this, I don't think this came in a pack like this before, but this is like a bundle pack. And they're doing an offer at the moment where it's like 50% off. So yeah, that is what I got from Crystal. I keep saying Crystal Buddy, but it's Craft Buddy. So inside here, what stickers are we going to have? Now, I do believe they are selling the individual stickers as well. So I will just, as I say, they are selling them on Vinted. I don't like the idea of seeing what it is first. I'm going to stick with Craft Buddy, order them through Craft Buddy. But inside here, just to show you and recap from last time, this is the Disney 100 Years of Wonder People. And it is a special sticker album. So you basically diamond paint your stickers and then put them in, and you've got your corresponding key on the back here. So it could be like, for example, number 1 responds to Olaf, and then number 2 Elsa, and it's all sort of different characters. So you've got like Cinderella, Jasmine, you've got Rapunzel, Pongo, Chewbacca, there's all sorts of things, Buzz Lightyear there, and as you can see, they go through all different things here. So as you can see, and you do get apparently special ones. I think Yvonne over at Shenanigans with the Bergs, she absolutely loves Disney stuff. So I really hope that you guys in America could get this, because this would be quite cool. And I think it would be really nice if they could do like a Harry Potter version as well. Like, could you imagine like a Harry Potter like sticker album, or like a Marvel? Oh, that would be so cool. So that is our sticker album. Now to see what's in our mystery packs. Now I got all of this for £5, so I got 2 packs in here, so hopefully we can see what we have in here. So we'll just tear it off here because I can't seem, I'm terrible for ripping things, as you can see. But what's our 3 stickers? Oh my god! It's Pinocchio! Oh wow! See, there was a good work. There was it was a good job I restarted this then. Oh wow! So we've got Pinocchio here. That's our first one. Who's the next one gonna be? It is. Is it gonna be a special? It's Dory from Finding Nemo. Oh wow! There. So we've got Dory. This Pinocchio just looks so colourful. And then the third one. What's it gonna be? Oh, it's upside down. What's it going to be? Is it going to be a glittery one? Oh, wow, it's Dumbo. Cute little Dumbo. Yeah, oh, man, that is such a great film. It's sad when he gets separated from his mum. But, oh, that's such a fabulous film. This is a really... Oh, I'm so happy with this. So in Dory, these colours are going to be superb. You've got the colours here, as you can see. So if we take that out, for example, I'm not going to take the whole sticker out. But in this one, you can see they only tend to be like 4 packs. So you've got the yellow, the dark blue, and the light blue there. Absolutely fabulous. And then we can put that inside here. So that's the first one. Then the next sticker, we've got Pinocchio. And there's so much colour going on. I'm very impressed with this. I hope we've got the Lion King in the next one. I think my very first one that I got from the old one that I did before I lost it was... I think it was Pluto was the first one that I got. I can't actually remember. No, it was Pongo, because I remember sticking it in the book. But I really don't know what to do with them at the moment. I don't know whether to just like put them in this book or what at the moment. So we've got a black and a red, ladybird colours there, an orange, a yellow, a brown, a pink, a mint green, a sort of lighter green, a peach, a blue and a white. So, oh, these are lovely stickers. But remember, guys, these do sell out quite quickly, so you do have to be on the ball with these. So yeah, you just have to like keep checking every so often and then hope that they've got some. I think that's why also I sort of gave up with it, because every time I wanted some, they were just like not in stock. It's like they don't seem to put enough stock on there. So yeah, so you just have to hope that we can get some. So yeah, okay, so in here we have, oh, these are going to be really fun to do. I will save these for my Disney theme. We've got a yellow, a blue, and a pink. So very, very nice. But yeah, I will save these for when I do the Disney theme, which I will be doing, but I just don't know when yet. So that's our 3 ones, right? Let's have a look at our next set of colours. It feels really good. Please, fingers crossed that it will be a glittery one. I really, really want to have a glittery one. Apparently they're supposed to be the really special ones. So let's get inside here. The packs, can I just say, are so beautifully presented. You just don't want to open them. But inside here, what are we going to have? Now, this is where the fun starts, because this was our first pack, right? So we now have to bear in mind every pack we open, we could end up with a duplicate. If I do end up with a duplicate, then I'll probably sell it on Vinted, because I won't have a need for a duplicate. So yeah, I'll probably sell them on, but yeah, we just have to hope and pray that we ain't got you know, a duplicate. I think I showed you this. This comes with it as well. It's like the really lovely logoed pen there, the Crystal Art Club. Sorry, Crystal Buddy. Still getting it wrong. And inside here, who's it going to be? I'm guessing Mickey Mouse, probably Star Wars, something Star Wars, and probably, let's say, Cinderella. So, who's our first one? Okay, I don't know who the hell that is. Any guesses, people? She looks like someone from Star Wars. Yeah, because of the goal, and she's also got a gun. So, yeah, it could be Star... Oh my god! Oh my god! I've just seen. Look, we got a glittery one! Oh my god! I'm super excited right now, guys! Oh wow! Oh my god! I'm so excited! Like, I've wanted a glitter one for so long, and I actually pray that we see. This is the thing, guys. God is providing. I asked. And I went like, before I opened this, I went like, please, can we have one? And look, he's provided. He's give us that one. So we've got that one. Who's the next one going to be? It is Iron Man. Oh, yes. Look at that, man. Oh, sweet. Very, very nice. And the last one, who's it going to be? These are the specials, apparently. It looks a bit like Monsters, Inc. No? Oh, very good guess. It was Cinderella. See? Now, as I can say, you don't know what's on here. They don't print what's in there. But I did say, I hope it's Cinderella. I'm very good at predictions. And look at that. Absolutely stunning. I would be very tempted to keep this because only the sticker here is, you know, that we take off. But keep this because this could be perfect for card making, you know. You could put like that round and then put a photo in the middle of there, you know, to bring it out. But oh my god, 3 beautiful ones here. So let's have a look inside here. My first ever silver one. Oh man, I'm super happy. I love doing Crystal Art Club. I've said it wrong again. What is it with me and Crystal Art Club? We've got a light blue and a dark blue and a teal. Oh man. Yeah, I'm loving this. I'm loving it. I love it. This is absolutely stunning. So, yeah, we've got this. And then we've got Iron Man. Just think of all these lovely little projects. And these won't take long to do. I think you can get them done in one session, you know. They're really easy to do. And these ones are the teal. We've got the red, the darker reds. A yellow, and I think that's like a silver crystal one. Now, I did speak to Liz about this because I was like, would you say, because back then, when I did the first one, I don't think I used sealer, and I asked her which sealer to get because Liz has some codes for Crystal Craft Buddy, so she has some discount codes, and I asked her for one, and yeah, she gave me one. And I said, like, what sort of sealer? Because there's a shimmer sealer or like a normal sealer, and she said, like, go for the normal sealer. So I would advise also, because she did say to like seal them first before you put them in the book, because otherwise you won't get glue on them. You don't have to seal them, but it's just to like reinforce it a bit. I tend to seal all my projects anyway, but oh, this is a very short pack. 3 there, look. Blue, teal, and light blue. Absolutely stunning. Oh, I'll tell you what, I am over the moon with this package. Just to recap again what we've got. For £5, they're, yeah, absolutely stunning. Look at all this. So once again, we've got Iron Man. We have our first special of Cinderella. You can make a lovely jelly. La 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 la. We've got Flying Dumbo there. We have Pinocchio. We have, I don't know who. And we also have Dory. So absolutely fabulous. I think they're coming out with another character. Hannah, you might want to collect these as well, because you're fairly new to diamond painting. As I say, you get this as well. You can buy the individual stickers off Vinted if you want to, or you can be surprised and buy the mystery packs, which come in a pack of 3. And yeah, I'm so happy with these. I cannot wait to get started on them. Thank you very much for watching. That is Disney 100 Years of Wonder. I can assure you we will not be losing this again. I can't believe I've had to pay out for it again, but it's my fault. You know, I just don't know where I've put it. It's just a mystery. But, oh, it's a mystery. Oh, it's a mystery. That's a song. But yeah, absolutely lovely. Thank you very much for watching. Please remember to do all them YouTube things. Like, share, subscribe. Tap that notification bell so you can be notified as and when a video pops up on the channel. And we'll see more of Craft Buddy coming very soon, people, because I'm so going to be placing a few more orders now. Absolutely fabulous. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye-bye now.